Good morning! Back on the trail. Yeah, yesterday evening was okay. It rained a little bit, but not too bad. Only the fly of my tent is wet, and my shoes didn't dry out because the moisture in the air, the humidity was like 100% yesterday, so no chance. But I saw a film crew yesterday. They came to well, not exactly where my tent was, but you know, they were filming on the road, and they were filming promotional clips for this Estonia 100 thing. So if you don't know, then Estonia is celebrating its 100th anniversary since it first gained independence, and this year everybody's doing like these EV100 projects, which means that anyone who wants can, you know, make a gift to the state, sort of. And there are different projects. You can do like almost anything, and the state forest, who manages these hiking trails, they have made an app which is like 100 stories from the trails. They have and they're planning to do like these group hikes. They are opening a new trail this year, and then there will be 3 long distance trails which all intersect in one place, and they are going to have group hikes starting from like each of the endpoints coming all together. So there are like 6 groups starting from the different endpoints, and they all come together in the center where the trails kind of intersect. And yesterday they were filming, I think, some promotional clips for the project. So yeah. They had someone with them who's also like this hiking tour manager, I guess. You know, somebody who offers different recreational services. I think he was a local. And he asked about what I was doing. You know, how's the trail so far? And yeah, we talked a little bit, and he said that there are so many hikers in Europe who are all, you know, arranged into different associations, and we're all, you know, hiking in Europe and would love to come and hike in other countries too, but in our country the kind of support system is really not very developed in that area to, you know, welcome hikers from other countries. And he said that one of the reasons for that is that if this organization is managed by the state, then its you know, funding and marketing priorities are, you know, elsewhere. The state forest management, they don't only just manage the hiking trails, they manage all of the state's forests, and that's just, you know, more than just recreation. So yeah, he said that there's, you know, kind of a lot of work to do, and yeah. And then he asked about my hike and whether, you know, whether there will be a blog or something, and then I said that I'm doing a YouTube channel, so if you want you can check it out there. And I also said that I'm doing my channel in English so that people from other countries who want to come and hike in this country, you know, have some kind of insight. More than is just the, you know, official information, which can sometimes be extremely, you know, scarce and inadequate. So yeah, he gave me a thumbs up for doing what I do, which is great. It's actually awesome. So yeah, let's see what happens. But today I am going to the Ähijärve visitor center. where I hope to spend a couple of hours charging and showering. and yeah, from there I have, I think, 16 kilometers to where I will be staying tonight. It's not raining, it's cloudy, but I did see some clear sky when I was in the field, so yeah, hope there will be sunshine and warm weather real soon. And look at where I am now. This is definitely one of the destinations in Estonia where on a sunny weekend it's packed with people, like literally packed with people. But as you can see, on a soggy Wednesday morning, also in the summer, I'm the only one out of here. At least so far, I haven't seen anyone. Since I didn't see any trail markings, I think I crossed the river in the wrong place, and I'm supposed to be on the other bank right now, but I don't care, I'm not going back because the place where I'm going is on this side of the river. So saw a sign, Ähijärve, 6 kilometers, so that's where I'm going right now. Wow, I'm in for descent. Let's go all the way down. Pretty steep. For some reason I'm not feeling very well at the moment. I think I have a little bit of a sore throat. And yeah, it's kind of toasted feeling. I hope I don't have, you know, like developing fever or anything like that. It's not that bad, but it's just, you know, feels like I could use a good rest tonight. a scare. My camera fell out of my hip belt pocket. I think those were like the fastest steps I've taken on trail to backtrack where it fell out. And as you can see, I'm walking like on a car road, small one, but still a car road. And I was like, oh my god. I think I only backtracked about a couple of 100 meters to fetch it, but still. So, I'm at my campsite for this evening. When did I last vlog? Oh yeah, when my camera got lost. So, I found my camera, everything turned out alright. I walked on a couple of kilometers into a small settlement where I had a shop stop. Then it started raining, so I kind of tried to wait it out, but it continued raining a little bit. So yeah, I just started walking towards my campsite, which was like 3.5 kilometers, something like that. So, came here. It's actually quite nice here. Let me show you around. I've made a fire for the first time during this hike, just to dry out my shoes and my socks. There's my tent. There's the road. Back there's the road. There's my tent. Back there is the draw house. Here is the firewood and my raincoat and a table. So it's a really small, simple place, you know, but it's quite nice. What I didn't like was that the last kilometer I had to just get into knee-high wet grass, no, sorry, waist-high wet grass, and just, you know, whack myself through to get here, while there could have been just, you know, a normal gravel road. I don't know why I didn't take it. I'm just gotta be on the trail. Sometimes I think I should, you know, think more before I just go head first into something. Gonna show you the map. So this is where I am right now. Yeah, and this was the grass, wet grass part. So I'll see how I get here tomorrow. And then I have a settlement, which is the last one for like 4 days, where I have a shop. Then I continue on to the small roads. Then a 5 kilometer straight gravel road. And here I have to get across the river using the help of a boatman. And then my stop for tomorrow evening will be this place here. The forecast for tomorrow is sunny, cloudy, and I hope that means that in the evening I can once again dry out all my stuff. Tomorrow's distance is 28 kilometers. I won't be able to push past that because the next stop is like even a lot further. So yeah, that's gonna be where I'm gonna stay tomorrow. But you know, I'm still ahead of my schedule, so I don't have a problem with that.